Hello everyone, my name is Steven, and today I will be giving a quick demo on biolinks and QR code through LINQ.bio. So here is our homepage first. As you can see, I'm already logged into my photo booth rental account. So let's go ahead and head over to the dashboard, right? Here you get to see your statistics, your QR codes, virtual business cards made, shortened URLs, and biolinks as well. So all that type of good stuff, as well as statistics for those views. So first what we're going to do is we're going to create a link. So when you hit create link, you can do Biolink page, and then it will actually pop up this menu here, where is your settings. So you get to select your short URL, what you want it to be based off, some customization fields for the theme, verified, branding, SEO, fonts, advanced, even protection if you want like password protected link. All that kind of stuff is in the settings. But to actually generate and create this page, you want to head over to blocks. So to give you a side-by-side comparison, the image at the top is my logo. Some text for SEO purposes is below. A video for introduction where a consumer is more than welcome to watch, as well as links to our packages, any contact pages, digital booking system, as well as an image that will take them to a booking link for 360 packages as well. So this is just a small example of how you can utilize this platform to get something similar to like Linktree or like, a digital business information, right? But first, now I want to create a QR code for this so people can pull up my information, right? So copy the link there. Let's go ahead and go over to QR codes. And I already created this one right here. So let's go ahead and edit. Name of my QR code. I can assign a project to if I'm working on a project. URL, and I just copied the link in there. So if you actually scan this QR code, you will be taken to that digital page, that digital biolink page I just made. So, and you can download it, print it out, all that type of stuff depending on where you want to put it. So this is just one of the simple tools that we can use to create a biolink and a QR code. So you can do this the same for a business card, for a shortened URL. All you have to do is just create the link first and generate a QR code. And this will be a way to simplify all your branding, your social media handles into one place. But yeah, for any questions, feel free to ask, and thank you guys for watching this video.